Hi chemistry students, welcome back to school for this new e-learning adventure and journey. I hope you've been taking care of yourselves physically and mentally over the last couple of weeks. And I know this is a really crazy time, but it's also kind of amazing to think about how we're going to join, literally millions of other students worldwide today in this big, massive distance learning thing that we're all doing in the middle of this pandemic. So I hope that we can all just stick together and be brave and persistent and be willing to try new things. Today I really just want to share with you some of the ways that I've set things up in chemistry to help you be successful over these next few weeks. So hopefully you've taken a look at some of the information from the school and the district about just the expectations for your own learning and kind of the general principles. Every day there's going to be an assignment posted for you, like this one that's here that says Monday, March 30th. This is what you need to do today. And there's also some things on my Schoology page that are really resources for you to access to help you out at any time. So I want to show you some of those things right now. First of all, you'll find a weekly plan posted here in a Google Doc. So this is kind of a calendar and checklist for you. You can make a copy of this or print it out if that helps you to stay organized. It reminds you that you have until 5 p.m. on most days to complete your work. So I'll be posting these assignments by 9 a.m. and then you have until 5 p.m. to do them. So you'll be counted present. There's a link here for a blank schedule that if you want to print that out and use that to guide your day and organize your day, that could be really helpful. I know that, for most of your classes, you probably will have things all due at 5 p.m., but I really recommend that you get online at 9 a.m., try to stick to a schedule, go through your class periods 1 through 7, because the more that you have a routine and a structure, that's really going to help you to keep your sanity and to be successful with this process. So I'll put the weekly objectives here so that you just know what you're expected to learn, and that can help guide your thinking, and then you'll be able to see in the checklist what the assignments are and the tasks for each day. I also have a document here for my office hours. So teachers are holding office hours every day from 8 to 9 a.m. and 3 to 4 p.m. Right now I'm planning to hold all those office hours through Google Meet so that you can see me face to face, and I'll also be able to access email during that time. That may change down the line as I kind of figure out my schedule with my family and everything. If I feel like I'm not able to be available every day through video chat, I'll let you know, but right now that's my plan. Every session I'll post a link right here, and so I don't have an active link right now, but I'll always post one at 8 a.m. and at 3 p.m. so that you'll be able to access the office hours for that time slot. And I'll also post it as a calendar event on Schoology. If you want to meet with me privately, we can definitely do that through a video chat, and I just ask that you email me and I'll schedule a time for you and send you a private link so that we can just meet one-on-one, and I will fill in a slot down here for scheduled. So if you want to come to my drop-in office hours, please just check this chart, and if it says scheduled, just know that I can't meet with you during that time because I'm meeting with another student. And right now I'm planning to post 2 days out at a time, but like I said, this is kind of a learning experience for me too, and so if I need to change this structure at all to help me stay organized and help me keep my sanity, I'll let you know if I decide to change anything with how I'm doing my office hours. A couple of other things that are here, I posted a link for you to join Remind. If you've never done that in another class, it's really an app that I can use on my phone to send text messages to you without having your phone number, and I'd like to be able to use Remind during this e-learning period to send reminders about upcoming due dates or upcoming formative and summative assessment dates. You might have a lot of questions right now about assessment, and so I can tell you for chemistry that we will still be having quizzes and tests, and we're thinking about some ways to kind of have greater variety of the kinds of assessments you're doing, like little projects and things like that. So there'll be more details on that to come, but we will still be having assessments, and so you want to just keep track of when those things are coming up on the calendar. Most of the quizzes will all be done kind of through a Schoology quiz format, with like randomized questions and things like that, just for test security purposes. The other thing I wanted to share with you as far as a e-learning tool is I made a a short video and pulled together some technology tools that might be useful, things that can help you manage multiple browser tabs if you're doing multiple things at a time, or things that might help you manage your productivity, a few different Chrome extensions. So you can click on that link and check out some of those things. I also would recommend that you install the Google Drive and Google Docs apps on your phone, because especially for chemistry, if you're doing solving problems and things like that, and you end up wanting to submit a photo of your work instead of trying to figure out a way to type up what you're doing, it's really easy if you have Google Docs on your phone to just snap a picture with your phone and have it pop right into a Google Doc. So you can explore this link and learn a little bit more about some of those things there. And then, like I said, here's your task for today. And so again, every day you'll have a task that's dated and really clearly says what you're going to be doing, and that's what you need to do by 5 p.m. So I just lastly wanted to say that I recognize that, again, this is a really crazy time, and I know many of you have probably had a variety of disruptions in your home with, your parents and adults in your home may have their work schedules and their everything kind of very, very different right now because of the shelter-in-place order, and you may have younger siblings you have to take care of, or siblings in your house who are also trying to do school. And so I recognize that this is just going to be new for you to figure out a routine that works for you, and that might be really challenging. So if you find at any time that things that are going on in your house are preventing you from getting your work done within the deadline set by the school, please reach out to me so that I can know what's going on with you, and I can help you figure out what you can do to be successful and adjust deadlines for you and things as needed, because my goal is really to have you continue your learning during this time in a way that's really positive. I don't want to create extra stress for you in addition to things that might be going on at home. So that's basically all I have for you today. So you are ready to go ahead and start your assignment for today. And if you want to pop in to say hi, or you have questions, stop by my 3 o'clock office hours today. And I hope you have a great rest of your day with your first dip into e-learning.